Hello, 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 hello. Back in the kitchen. Anyway, this time I am just like making a smoothie. I made a smoothie before with the bananas because they get bad real quick around this time. So I'm making a smoothie here. I made one before with bananas, avocados, and blueberries. This time I'm making, again, this is about 2 bananas. I already peeled them. 1 avocado. Avocado is good fat. And this time I have protein powder. I'm just going to put 1 tablespoon of that. And I love oatmeal. Anybody like oatmeal out there? You can use oatmeal in different ways. So many ways. So this is another way. Put your oatmeal here. This can also be your good breakfast, because on top of that, we are gonna put 1 tablespoon of coffee. Correct. And then I have 12 ounces of water. And there we go. And I am going to blend this. It's gonna make a good drink. Aha. Okay, here, so there we go, and look how beautiful it is. Oh look, oh yes, nice and rich and real good, real good. You see, can miss that. This is delicious, very delicious. You like avocado? You like bananas? You can exclude oatmeal if you don't like oatmeal. And put whatever else you wanna put in it. You have your little coffee there, so I'm happy I have that bit of coffee in it. So I might not have to get coffee today. I might not have to make myself some coffee today. So I hope you try this for yourself, and don't forget to subscribe to Gino's Creative Cooking.